This is the Boyd Hill Nature Preserve Restoration Project in the city of St. Petersburg. I'm Nancy Norton. I'm a senior professional engineer with the SWIM program, which is the Surface Water Improvement and Management Program. Over time at the nature preserve, drainage ditches became more incised and narrower, and that didn't help our water quality. Also, the wetlands were drying up during certain seasons that shouldn't have been drying up. Several of the areas within the nature preserve, we recontoured the streams. They were ditch channels through the preserve going from the property line to Lake Magori. By recontouring and laying those banks back, we provided a more natural system that reduced some velocities of water that came on site and headed for Lake Magori. We also needed to add some plants to stabilize the soils. All the plants that were planted were plants that were native. Ran the gamut from plants that were planted within the ditch underwater that like their feet wet, so to speak, to low marsh, high marsh, and then transitional areas. Dune sunflowers, which really add a pop of color to those. The ones that are in the low marsh and high marsh uptake nutrients that improves water quality, and they also provide wildlife habitat. One of the exciting things about completing the project was looking at the wildlife returning, such as alligators, the birds who are now feeding on the fish that are in the stream. All those things mean that it's a more natural system. This project was a good match for our SWIM mission, which is to enhance habitat and wetland systems, as well as the fact that it drains to Tampa Bay, which is one of our SWIM priority water bodies.